Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a feature for Scrap Diva Designs. I got my package in for this month, so let's see what I have to share with you guys. Okay, first, this are these pin flags, and I love these for making flags. I love to make it, and I always use the fishtail, but I've made one of these before. But you have so many options here, and if I flip this over, you can see there's more. So I do want to mention Scrap Diva Designs information before we continue. And this is her information right here. There is her Instagram handle, her YouTube handle, and you can find her at Scrap Diva Designs, like it says right here. And also follow the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs for more inspiration. Also, if I inspired you, please use my discount code VEE10. That's V10. I'm going to flip this over. Look at these. You get many, so many, especially when die cutting. We want more than just one die so we can make plenty. So this is perfect. I can't wait to play with that one. Okay, next are flowers, you guys. And with spring arriving, we have flowers. And so definitely needed for this time. And they're perfect, you guys. Perfect flowers. You get different ones, and I love to layer these. And I love that it comes with the leaves as well, and then you get some embossing on it as well. So look at that. So can't wait to play with that. Okay, this one right here is called a retro phone dial. So I'm very excited to play with this. As you guys know, I made a miniature album out of the other one. So it kind of looks similar, but so not to be confused with this one is a completely different die. I used this one for my last package and made an album with that. So, and it's called a retro telephone dial. So let me go ahead and open this. I know some of you might have already seen this. However, for those of you who haven't, I'm just going to show you real quick. So you get the handheld phone piece, and then you also get the lining for it. This one is the base here, and you also get the curlies for the phone, and then here is the dial. There's already some crafters who've made some projects, and so go ahead and follow the hashtag and you can see for yourself some projects already made. So she also sent me the dial. So this right here, you get two different ones. You get the circles and then you get the hearts. So definitely perfect for Maggie Holmes and also Valentine's. So this one also, this one goes with this, and so you can make it all work and dial and rotate. What I mean is rotate, not dial. So it comes with all of these pieces. So this is extra right here, and then this one set right there. So perfect, definitely perfect. I do have something in mind for this one. Hopefully I can make it and give you guys some inspiration with this. Okay, next one is the loaded banner front panel. So this is a loaded banner front panel, and I am excited to play with this because if you saw my last video, I mentioned about making paper flags, and this right here piece is exactly for that, to make paper flags. So it also comes with some wording here, and it says crafty greetings. And so you do get the outer edge with the hearts, which looks like a trim, a faux trim. And then you also get two pieces to layer inside of the border. So if you turn it over, you get another one. So this one is the fishtail. So I love that you have a fishtail. So there's two, you guys. This is amazing. And you also get a larger tassel with this, which I absolutely love, and I'm definitely going to put some use into this because I have been making lots of tassels, and I was thinking of making an SVG file, but this is perfect right here. Definitely will be using that. Okay, next is my absolute favorite. This is a set of bows, and you get so many, so let's go ahead and see how many. You get 6 bows in this package, and they're all different sizes, and I love the miniature one because I do use a miniature bow, and I love it. Look at the size. The size is going to be so small, perfect for miniature embellishments like miniature flags or rosettes. Oh my goodness, so amazing. I can't wait to play with that one. Okay, this one is similar to the Christmas flags. And so this one says hide, bunny, egg, love, hip hop, hunt, spring, and seek. And then you get the plain one. And so what you can use with this is you can use it with the December die kit. It came with a plain one. It also came with a stick. And when making many of them for your swaps or for favors or birthday parties, you have 2 already. So that is a plus right there. Excited to play with that. Okay, next one is this, and this is the Spring Easter Borders. And you get a butterfly, you'll get some lace. So you 5 lace trims that are like faux lace trims. So perfect for back toppers, perfect for scrapbooking, perfect for albums, perfect for library cards, perfect for tags. So the sky's the limit with this one. I love the butterflies and the bunny feet. So Erica did mention that you do get the bunny feet along with the backing, so you could use those together. Definitely could utilize that for different swaps and different projects. Okay, so this one is the Easter Spring Words, and you get 14 dies in this set, and they read happy, Easter, egg, hunt, chick, peeps, bunny, jelly, beans, blessed, spring, Easter, blessings, and faith. So you guys know that we can use this for so many projects, especially bag toppers, especially banners, word banners, so many things. So okay, this one right here is the hefty duty of them all. This one is the loaded banner die set, and it is a box, and it's such a good size box. If you guys would like to check that out immediately, head on to Erica's channel, and she reveals a project share where you can see and decide if you want to get this, because I think you will, because it is a huge box. So if I turn this over, you get the happy birthday, you get 3 balloons, the star, and then the 3 layered. And on the other side is the Mickey balloon along with some string. You can get the faux string, you guys. So there are 4 of them, 4 faux strings. And then this blew my mind right here. These little bows, which can be used for something else, not just this. So many projects that we could put bows on, especially how we like to put miniature bows on a head of a chipboard piece. So definitely could utilize that, especially like this right here, this fox right here. You could put a little bow on that fox. So one of these little bows, you get plenty of them, and there's 8, and you could use those bows to decorate your chipboard or your ephemera pieces. Amazing, amazing. And it says happy birthday, so it's kind of like a birthday box, which I absolutely love. It's a birthday box banner, but it's titled Loaded Banner Die Set, but you can, if you don't want to use the birthday part, you don't have to, but definitely excited to use this. There's so many pieces in here. I'm excited. So that is my share, you guys, and stay tuned for some projects that I hope that you will enjoy, and hopefully I can make something that is a wow factor. So hopefully we can do that for you guys, and stay tuned to see what I make. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and listening to all of my excitement with these dies, my unboxing of this package. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.